Want to transform your static photos into captivating mini-movies? Let's dive into how to seamlessly add music to your photos directly on your iPhone. First, open the Photos app. Now, locate the photo you want to jazz up with some tunes. Tap on it to open it full screen. See that share icon at the bottom left? It looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tap on that. Scroll down in the share sheet until you find the Save to Files option and tap that. Choose a location to save your photo, like your Downloads folder in your phone. Tap Save. Now, exit out of the Photos app and open the iMovie app. If you don't have iMovie, it's a free download from the App Store. Once iMovie is open, tap the plus button to start a new project. Select Movie. This will bring you to your camera roll. Tap on the photo you just saved. It should appear in your timeline. Now tap the plus button to add audio. Tap Audio and then tap My Music. You can select a song from your music library. Choose a song you like, and tap the plus button next to it to add it to your iMovie project. You can trim the music by tapping and dragging the yellow edges of the music clip so it matches the length you want. You can also adjust the volume by tapping the audio clip, then tapping the volume icon at the bottom of the screen. When you're happy with how it sounds, tap Done in the top left corner. Then tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen and select Save Video to save your musical photo to your camera roll. And that's it. You've successfully added music to a photo on your iPhone. Now go create some awesome visual stories.